next thing that we're gonna do here is we are going to put like the brake pedal and the gas pedal and all that stuff back together and put it back in the truck. Now I don't necessarily have to put it back in the truck, but I need to run all the wiring. I need to mount the computers in there and all that stuff. And there is a computer or brain box. It's a brain box for your throttle control. So this plugs into your gas pedal, and this goes, you know, to your brain box. Or this plugs into your computer, or one of the wiring harnesses. It might be one of the wiring harnesses that we got or whatnot. But this plugs into the gas pedal, and this needs to be mounted up underneath the dashboard somewhere. And just so that, you know, we have our length right, because I don't want wires hanging down behind the gas pedal like so. So, you know, we'll tie everything up so that it's like that. And I kind of need this gas pedal in there so that we can kind of keep this wire a little taut. You know, when we go to put all these wires up, we're gonna take some strips of metal, and we'll round up, you know, we're just gonna take like a little 1/2-inch strip of metal by probably like 2 inches. We'll round the corners, we'll clean it up so that it looks all nice. We'll drill a little hole in it, and we're gonna spot weld those to the firewall as we go along. And then you can clip the wiring harness in it and bend your tab over, and then it holds your wiring harness in place. Instead of getting those ones that clip around the wiring harness and you got to drill a hole and screw it into you know, the firewall, or they have those ones with the little plastic push in and pushes in and locks in. You know, you have to drill holes for all that, and we just welded up all the holes. So I'm gonna make my own tabs so that we can lock the wiring in place. So it's not like, you know, when I say that we're pulling the wire taut, like I'm still gonna have tie downs in there to hold all the wiring, but we kind of have to have everything together to find out exactly where the wiring's gonna lay. You know, I would like it to go, you know, up under the dashboard and across so that you don't see nothing up in there. So I think I'm done saying so. Need to get Colleen out here and have her help me put the booster and gas pedal and all that stuff back in the vehicle. So once we get that in, I'll turn the cameras back on and see you guys out. Sometimes I leave the cameras on, sometimes I don't. All depends on if she wants to be on camera. Okay, before I go get Colleen, there's a couple things that I need to do before I go get her so she's not just standing out here waiting on me. So let's do those things real quick. It is raining out. I'm sure you guys can hear that. It's noisy in the shop. So I don't know, maybe we'll put some music to this or whatnot. But yeah, let's get these couple of things done. We're back. Sorry, it's still raining real good outside, so it's probably loud. We did get the gas pedal and the brake assembly all installed. It is bolted down snug. We are good to go.